In this class, we will present an introduction to the Gemara Masechtas Bava Kama on Daf Nun Hey Amud Beis. So in this introduction, there are three things that we're going to learn. The first one is Shmira B'chusa and Shmira Ma'ula. There are two different ways that a person could properly watch over his animals so that they don't escape their holding pen. And one is a Shmira B'chusa and the other is a Shmira Ma'ula. So a Shmira B'chusa is a lesser form of guarding, and a Shmira Ma'ula is a superior form of guarding. The difference between the two of them is as follows. A lesser form of guarding is when the gate is only able to stand by a normal wind. Any normal wind will blow, the gate is going to stand by that wind and it won't be knocked over. And a Shmira Ma'ula, which is a superior form of guarding, is when the gate is able to stand even by an out of the ordinary wind. Even if a more powerful than expected wind comes and blows, still the gate will stand. So there are two different types of guarding, Shmira B'chusa and Shmira Ma'ula. The next thing is that by Karen there is tam and muad. What that means is as follows. A domestic animal can be a tam or muad to attack. A tam is what the owner only pays for half the damage, and a muad is that the owner pays for the full damage, and we'll explain now. A tam is that the animal is not expected to attack, and therefore the owner only pays for half the damage. A regular ox, a regular cow, is not an aggressive animal. We don't expect that it should attack. The owner is not expected to anticipate such a thing, and therefore if the animal did attack, the owner is only chayiv, he's only responsible to pay for half of the damages. A muad is that the animal developed a pattern to attack by attacking 3 times and is expected to attack. The owner anticipates that this ox is already an aggressive ox and he's expected to be concerned that the animal will attack people or other animals, and therefore the owner must pay for the full damages since he expected that such an act would possibly happen. And the last and final thing is that Shein and Regel mu'adim mitchilasin. We said that Karen has 2 stages, that of a tam, and then it develops into a muad. Shein and Regel are a muad from the start. So Shein, like we said, is when an animal eats, and Regel is that the animal walks and breaks something. And the reason why Shein and Regel pay full damages from the very first time that they cause damage, when a cow, ox, or any animal causes damage in such a way, the reason why from the very first time the owner will have to pay for the full damages is since it's normal for a domestic animal to eat another's food items and walk and step on things. Therefore, if an animal did one of these, the owner must pay for the full damages because he expects and anticipates that such an act could happen, and therefore he is expected to watch over them. And if he didn't, he needs to pay for the full damages. So those are the 3 items that we need as an introduction to this piece of Gemara.